Welcome guys to US30. I welcome you all. So right here is the US30 signal that we have. I just refined the entries, and then now I've just entered, guys. So I will update you. I will pause this video for now. It's just that I wanted to show like where my entry is. Like I've just entered like right there. So right now I'm currently on a drawdown. So yeah, I'll pause this video guys and then come back later. So guys, as you can see that we've been stopped out. So meaning this was wrong, this one. So I entered it, I think so, but I'm still a buyer, guys. I'm still a buyer. Let me just open an empty file and then enter more positions at least. Okay, yeah, this is it, guys. This is it. Let me just adjust my stop loss, guys. I'm still a buyer, guys. I don't wanna lie. I'm still a buyer for this whole zone right here. Still a buyer. I will only enter those selling opportunities right there, like after we broke down there below. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, this is the current situation. Let me actually take a screenshot. I'm taking profits, because I'm taking profits, but then I will close this position. In fact, if this the current 1 hour can close above that support level, and then I will hold until it goes to the upside, or it hits my TP. But then if the 1 hour can, the current open channel right now, it closes below that support, meaning so now it will become a resistance, then I'm going to close. But if they close above, I'm holding, guys. So yeah, I'll come back again to update you later. So guys, as you can see that right now we have a pin bar on the 1 hour time frame. So the price is closed above that support. It closed above it. So right now I'll be holding until to the upside. Yeah, maybe 4,400. That's my aim right there.